Hello magical friends, I'm your friend and law of attraction coach Magical Mohit. Today I'm going to share with you 5 magical movies, yes 5 movies on law of attraction, the power of your thoughts, which will help you to understand more about how you can achieve your goals in life, how you can change your destiny, and how you can become the most happiest and the positive people in the world. These are by far one of my favorite movies that I want to share with you guys, and every single movie is just amazing. Like you will learn so many amazing things, and some of the movies are very entertaining as well. So today I'm going to share with you 5 movies, yes, the name of 5 movies which changed my life completely, because the things that I've learned and I've practiced from the movies are mind-blowing. So please take a note of these 5 movies. I want you guys to watch these movies in next 5 to 10 days, and also you can message me or WhatsApp me or email me what did you learn from these movies. Yes. So the first movie that I will recommend every single one of you to watch, and this is by far I think one of the most common movies everyone must have watched. If not, please watch this movie today itself. The name of the movie is The Secret. Yes, The Secret is 2004-2005 movie, and there are more than 25 life coaches and law of attraction coaches and healers from all across the world who have been combining together, collaborating, and made this movie, The Secret. So watch this movie. It is mind-blowing movie. You will understand more about law of attraction and how you can manifest your dreams into reality. Yes. The second movie that I would like you to watch is something which I recently saw. That is the movie Heal. H-E-A-L. Heal movie. This movie was again published in 2017. I saw this movie on Netflix recently, and this movie is mind-blowing. So a lot of coaches and healers from all across the world, they have formed this movie where they have shared how our mind and body is interconnected, how we attract a lot of illnesses and diseases through our stress, tension, and how we can heal it through a lot of different kinds of healing modalities. So this is by far one of my favorite movies that I've watched recently, especially on the power of thoughts and law of attraction. Apart from this is a second movie, Heal, H-E-A-L. Do watch it, guys. Wherever you find the movie, do watch it and share with me what did you learn from the movie. The third movie that is coming in my top 5 is You Can Heal Your Life movie. Yes, you can easily get this movie on YouTube, and this movie is available in a lot of different languages. This movie is by Louise Hay, and I believe everyone knows Louise Hay. Everyone knows the Hay House Foundation. Everyone knows about the books like You Can Heal Your Life, you can heal your body, the mirror work. Louise Hay has been helping millions of people from so many decades. Like, this is one of the best movies that you will learn. Again, a mind-body connection, law of attraction, how you can change your life, how you can heal your body, how you can attract your dreams into reality. Amazing movie. This is life transforming movies that I'm talking about. These are the top 3. Now coming to the 4th movie that I would like every one of you to watch, and again it's the most latest movie. It came in 2020. The name of the movie is The Secret, Dare to Dream. Yes, again the Rhonda Brand Publications, 2020 released. A lot of people watch the videos on their website, the Secret website. You can watch it. You can find it at a lot of different places now. So go watch the movie. This is a movie. This is not a documentary. This is a perfect, proper Hollywood movie where they have taught a lot of things about law of attraction. So check it out. And the 5th movie that I will suggest you to watch is one of my all-time favorites, Kung Fu Panda. Yes, this is amazing movie. It was released in 2008. The first Kung Fu Panda movie, guys. Watch that movie. I think it is available on Netflix and Amazon Prime, a lot of different places. This movie changed my life completely. There are so many things you can learn from this movie. It is hilarious comedy movie, animated movie, Disney movie, so many things in this one movie. It will just blow your mind. You are going to learn so many amazing things. So when you watch these movies, take a pen and paper with you and at least write 5 things you learned about life from this movies. From each and every single movie, try to find at least 5 things that you learned about law of attraction, about how to live your life, and then try to practice those in your day-to-day life. Remember, watching videos or movies is not going to change your life, but implementing the knowledge in your life that you learn from those videos, that will really change your mind. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. Watch these 5 movies and do share with me your reviews about the movies. Please comment below if you have seen any of the movies and tell me what did you learn from the movie. So I'm waiting for your comment. Share this video with your friends and family members if you really loved it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and do follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. Thank you so much guys. Have a magical day. Thank you.